Okay, so today we're doing a deep dive into the Calmoura Tarot Academy. This is run by Yulia, known as the Siberian Mystic.
Right. And their big promise is delivering what they call radical clarity, confidence, and abundance.
Yeah, through tarot, but really focusing on career and money stuff.
Exactly. And looking at our sources, it's this really interesting mix, isn't it? It's like ancient spirituality meets modern business consulting.
How they managed to blend those two worlds, that's kind of the puzzle we're exploring.
Well, the first thing that really jumps out is the speed they promise. It's pretty extreme.
You mean the accurate readings in 7 minutes claim?
Yeah, that. Or, achieving mastery in just 30 days with only like 10 minutes of practice a day.
Compared to, what, years usually?
Right. It feels very much pitched at, say, a busy corporate professional who thinks traditional spiritual learning is just too slow, maybe a bit vague.
So they're selling efficiency, like a high-level training seminar almost.
Precisely. And that makes a lot more sense when you look at Yulia, the founder.
Her background isn't purely mystical then?
Not at all. She actually worked as a financial employee. Think places like Deloitte, Coface.
Wow, okay, so big corporate finance. That's quite a switch.
It is. And she apparently built her own successful six-figure tarot business after that.
So she understands that corporate mindset, the pressure, the structure.
Exactly. And that blend is really the core of Calmoura. It's ancient Siberian wisdom, shamanic stuff, mixed with modern tarot mastery.
That ancient lineage part, it sounds like it functions almost as unique intellectual property.
You could see it that way. It adds that layer of mystique, something proprietary that perhaps helps justify, higher price points, corporate level rates maybe.
And they mention light codes, too, infused in their tarot deck.
Yeah, the luxurious golden foil Tridevia tarot deck.
Mhm.
It all adds to that premium, unique feel. Trusted by, they say, over 10,000 seekers.
Let's talk about who this is really for. The target audience seems very specific.
It seems geared towards women, often in those really demanding jobs like audit or finance analyst roles.
The ones feeling overwhelmed, maybe a bit stuck, and looking for a way out.
Right. And Calmoura directly addresses their likely anxieties, like the fear of having to memorize hundreds of card meanings or not feeling confident enough or just how do you even turn this passion into a real business?
Okay, so how do they solve that? What's the path they offer?
Well, they've got 3 tiers, basically. It looks like a structured progression.
Like climbing a ladder out of the corporate world?
Sort of, yeah. It starts with self-study that focuses on intuitive reading, less on rote memorization. And crucially, it includes like 50-plus hours of the business systems Yulia apparently used herself.
So practical business tools right from the start.
Then there's the 3-month intensive. That adds direct one-on-one time with Yulia, custom plans, even WhatsApp access, more hands-on support.
Okay. And the top level?
That's the 12-month VIP executive. They call it Done With You.
Done with you. What does that involve?
It sounds like it adds done-for-you tarot business solutions and technical support for a whole year. It's almost like, well, like they'll help build the business infrastructure for you.
Ah, so if you're that former financial controller, you don't suddenly need to become a web designer or a marketing guru?
Exactly. They handle a lot of that operational headache, which, given Yulia's background, makes perfect sense. She's offering a kind of outsourced business setup.
And that probably explains those client results they mentioned.
Hmm.
Hitting their first $750 or even 3K months fairly quickly.
And doing it while working fewer hours, like
Yeah.
30, 35 a week. It suggests it's not just about the tarot readings themselves, but the business efficiency they're providing.
It's the operational side driving the financial results.
Right. So pulling it all together, Calmoura seems to frame that previous corporate experience, that time at Deloitte or wherever, not as something to escape from, but as preparation.
Preparation?
Yeah.
How so?
Well, that background gives the client the grounding, maybe the discipline, to actually implement a structured, 6-figure business plan,
What?
especially when the academy is handing them the corporate-style tools to do it.
So the corporate past enables the soul-aligned future in their model.
It seems that's the narrative. It's quite clever, really.
It definitely is.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
here's something to think about. This platform seems really successful at weaving together, ancient traditions, light codes, all that mystical stuff.
Right, with very concrete things like technical support and 6-figure business strategies.
Yeah. So what does this specific successful blend tell you about where the market might be heading? This demand for esoteric wisdom packaged up with really practical, modern business execution.
That's the interesting question, isn't it? How much more will we see these two worlds, the spiritual and the corporate, collide and maybe even merge? Something to mull over.